Time now for better food. Instant pots are very hot right now. The trick is finding the right recipe so you can reap the benefits, though.
Dana White is out with a new cookbook that's full of healthy and delicious instant pot recipes everybody's going to love.
She's a registered dietitian, of course, and our better contributor to our good health and just getting dinner on the table. Congratulations.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I am so excited to share my new book with you and these recipes.
I know Instant Pots are all the rage. First of all, what's the difference between like this and a crock pot? Why do we need this?
So this actually does the opposite of what a crock pot does. Your crock pot's like your slow cooker. Okay. You throw ingredients in, you come home 8 hours later. This is the opposite. This is a pressure cooker, fast heat, retains nutrients, and makes recipes in less time.
So it's like quick. Yeah, like an old-fashioned pressure cooker without the scariness.
Correct. All right. So and like this, the nice thing about the Instant Pot specifically, it's like a multi-cooker. So it does have a slow cooker function, and you can do other things in it as well. But it's kind of, you know, its foundation is a safer electric pressure cooker.
Okay, because that pressure cooker scares me.
So yeah. We all have nightmares. Those can explode. The old school ones can definitely explode. This has like safety mechanisms, so that's not going to happen.
Okay.
So
and all moms want dinner instantly. So this is good.
So we're gonna. So I have a whole bunch of recipes in the book. I think a lot of people don't realize you can cook. I'm sorry, you can bake in the Instant Pot. Like I made this beautiful lightened up cheesecake.
You can bake in this?
You can bake. I have all kinds of recipes. You can make yogurt. You can make rice. You can make a dozen eggs in 5 minutes. Hard boiled eggs.
You're kidding.
No. So you can do a lot of really fun things with it. So, but today I want to make a chicken soup. Here, can I give that to you?
Absolutely.
Okay, so the nice thing about this too is that you can saute in it first. So you're really looking at like a one pot kind of operation.
You turn it on, you can saute.
Yeah, so I'm gonna saute to start, okay? And then I'm gonna show you how to use the pressure cooker. So we are making a Tex-Mex chicken soup.
Well, this is nice too because
spicy.
You know, in a crock pot you're supposed to do it like brown stuff in a pan and then move it.
And then you're dirtying all these dishes. So we're not gonna do that. And it beeps and talks to you and you have all this like information and chimes and it's a lot. It kind of really helps you out to do the work.
Okay.
So, and there's not many ingredients. This is something I like to prep maybe in the morning or the night before. And then when I come home, I'm gonna throw all the ingredients in here and in about 12 to 20 minutes, by the 12 minutes of pressure cooking time, and then you let it sit for about 5 more minutes and then you're done.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so it really does save a lot of time. And the pressure cooking helps retain the nutrients because it's so fast.
Right.
You're not kind of breaking things down. Okay. All right, so I have my onions in here to start. It's already getting super hot. There's really not many ingredients in this soup. I like things spicy, so you can kind of adjust the heat and things like that. So the onions are gonna get going here, and then I'm gonna add bell pepper. The recipe calls for poblano pepper, which is a little bit spicy. I had some more sweet peppers, green peppers in my garden, so I just used those.
It's amazing. I can
Sometimes you don't want
onions cooking.
to want to do the spice.
Right in here.
Right, so then we're gonna do some salt, a little cayenne pepper. Again, you can adjust to how you like to do it.
Okay.
All right. And then you can keep giving that a stir. Carrot's going to start to sizzle on us in a little while. It's starting to heat up. Then what we're going to do is that while that's cooking, we're gonna get ready to pressure cook. Okay. So we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, and then the whole idea is here to seal this pot so that it doesn't explode, and then creates that pressure that we want. Okay. So it sounds scary, but I promise you it's not. So I have some fire roasted peppers, fire roasted tomatoes, and then it has those green chilies in it. Which again gives you that Tex-Mex kind of feeling. I'm using chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs.
And then, because you know what, as a dietitian, you want to let people know that these are still healthy.
Yes, they get such a bad reputation.
But they're cheaper, and they have more flavor.
They have healthy fat in them too, and they're a nice option for the pressure cooker because they're most meats don't get tough, but it just kind of falls apart, and it adds a lot of flavor to the broth. Okay. So I'm using a low sodium chicken broth that I bought at the store. You can use your own. I do like the low sodium because I feel like you can always add more salt. But if you're using something really salty, you can't take it out, you know? So it kind of gives you that freedom to do that. Okay. So that's it. So all the ingredients are in the pot. It would have taken even less time if we weren't talking through it. Then we're gonna seal it up. Okay, so listen to this, ready? Hear that?
Oh my God.
It works.
So that's how you know you're not gonna explode.
It even says right there,
right.
on.
So it's on, right? Yeah, so then we seal it like this. Okay, so that keeps the pressure in. And then I can't hear if I can sneak by you just so that I can set it. So then you're gonna go to a pressure cook setting, which is set at about 12 minutes, if that's what it says. Hold on, I'm gonna go. It was still on saute. So then we're gonna pressure it, and then it's gonna do its own thing. It's gonna seal, the pressure is gonna build, and this little float here is gonna pop up so that you know that the pressure is contained inside there. And then it's gonna start cooking and count down for my 12 minutes.
And so that's it. So 12 minutes right now, you're like, all right, everyone, finish their homework. Let's get the table
Clean
set.
the dishes, throw them in the dishwasher.
Sit down, and dinner served in 12 minutes.
Yes, and then you release the pressure, and then I like to add some beans, some black beans and corn at the end.
Okay, you wouldn't put that in there. They would get too. Okay.
Yeah, you could, but I like, you know, you don't really need to. It's going to be super hot. and then it's pretty much finished. And then I serve it with cilantro and some Greek yogurt and lime zest, tortilla
Love it.
chips if you want, and that's it.
It is delicious.
It's delicious. Now,
Thank
the
you.
chicken is shredded. Did you just shred that after you open it up?
Yep, I open it up. You can take it out and shred it and put it back in, but
You
I don't
just
even
shred it
think
in
you
the
really
pot.
need to do that. You just kind of stir it and kind of poke around at it. At that point, it's fall apart and tender and beautiful.
One pot.
One pot.
Love it.
That's
All
it.
right. Again, Dana's new cookbook is called Healthy Instant Pot Cookbook. You're going to find it online and in bookstores now. We're so excited for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.